Hi everyone, welcome to the today's video. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Flipkart Campus Challenge. So before going to start our session, please don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Just look at here guys, just log into Dare to Compete and there you can find Flipkart Grid 3.0. So this is a good opportunity for a lot of people. Just have a look at here. So this is recently launched in June 21st and it is up to 15 December they will go on. So what is the things we have to know is conducting three different tracks. What are the three different tracks is nothing but just look at here, the software development track and information security track and robotics track. So whatever the track you are interested, you can apply for that track. And remember one thing, you can't apply for multiple tracks. So it is only one track based. Either one of the three you have to choose. So based on your skill set, the eligibility for this is nothing but BTech, BE and MTech of all 2022, 2023, 2024 and 2025. This is the major thing you have to understand. For the upcoming year are pursuing final years, third years, second years, and for the first years they are giving this opportunity. These are the eligible people. Next, when coming to the this three grid opportunities under, which is nothing but these are the three categories you have to look at for. So I opened separately another tab. Just look at here. This is the first one, price worth 6 lakhs, and just look at here. Already 6,914 registrations were completed, and just look at here. He has given clearly that the team size is 2 to 3, which is nothing but this competition is of group members, which is nothing but you have to register as a group. So minimum 2 numbers required, maximum 3 numbers required, and the eligibility rules of the team is nothing but just look at here. The student must be BTech, BE and MTech of these year passed outs, and student must register, the number of students or members must be 2 to 3 for this first category, which is software development challenge. And clearly has mentioned, highlighted this point. Just look at here, you can't involve 2021 passed out students will not be eligible for this competition. If you are included 2021 passed out, it may leads to the disqualification of this challenge. So don't do that. And the participation students can be from any specialization. Your branch is not required. Any branch can be go through this. And the another most important thing is the students or the team members which are registering as a group, those members should be full-time students and from the same engineering college. So your group or your group registered for this competition must be from same college and full-time students. Branch may not specific, it's not a big deal. So you can collaborate with some other branches and you can create the group, but you need to be a same college. And any deviations from the above results will be results to the immediate disqualification of the entire team. Just remember guys, if you have done any mistake from the selection of your group, it will be disqualified entire team, not one person, total group will be eliminated. So these are the from problem statements is given. So please go through this and be registered for this. Why? Because if you are registered, you will get at least participation certificate, and if you are in the top 10 interns, you will get the certification of merit. So across all the teams, if you are went to the top 10, you will get certification of merit. So round 3, all these are qualifier rounds, it will go on. So if you at least qualified for the first round, which is nothing but round 1, at least 10% people, you will get a merit certificate. And these are the eligibility winners will get 1,50,000, and along with that they will get the job opportunities from the Flipkart. And based on this, Flipkart also going for recruitment of the people. So first runner of 75,000, and when you look into the final list, winners also finalist, first runners also finalist, right? So finalist people will worth of the package of 26.57 lakhs per annum and internship stipend of up to 50,000. So these are the most valuable things we are have to look at it. Rather than going for winners and runner-ups, just focus on this finalist category. So you will get the best job opportunity from Flipkart. Look at the package, it's huge. Just look at the second one, that is information security challenge. So already 827 people got registered, which is nothing but groups, and the minimum number of people is 2 and maximum number of people is 3. Again the group size is 2 to 3. Again the eligibility and the team rules are same, and stages you have to look at here, the problem statement level 1 and the level 2 level 3. This is how it will works, and this is the important dates and deadlines they have given. So just look at that, and if you have any problem you can directly contact the help desk of Dare to Compete, which is nothing but support at dare2compete.com. Again here the same thing, participation certificate at least you will get, and if you are at top 10 percentage teams you will get merit certificate. If you are a finalist you are eligible to recruited by the Flipkart with the package of 26 lakhs per annum. Just look at the last one, which is a robotics challenge. So just look at here. In the robotics challenge, as you can see, the minimum 2 members, maximum 15 members. So it is also one of the best opportunities for mechanical engineers, and they can collaborate with each other. But from the same college, it's very important. So these are the 479 till now. It was registrations completed. So again the same rules are same. 2021 is not eligible. You guys 2022 to 2025 is eligible, and these are the some structure of the courses and what is the levels and how the elimination rounds will be conducted. Just look at that, and here the some important dates you have to take some screenshot. And again just look at here guys, participation certificate, top 10% is merit certificates, and when you look into the finalist and everything, so they are using, they are taking as an internship stipend of 50,000 per month. So they will train you, they will guide you in the internship so that you can get the better opportunity to get the job in Flipkart. So again the winners will get 1,50,000. So this is the one of the best opportunity for the 2022 passed outs in the initial stages. So please try to register